Hello everyone. Now I will start one more example here for alpha beta pruning. So this is one more example here. This is max node. These are the min nodes, max nodes, min nodes here. And we know that we are traversing in the top to down and left to right. Means depth first search algorithm will be used here. We shall follow the depth first manner here. So I'm coming here, coming here, coming here, and now I have come here. So beta, because it is min node, beta will be, it is 10. So 10 will be assigned here. If I compare 10 and 11, minimum will be 10. Okay, later alpha will be 10. This 10 will be assigned here, and later if I get a better value than 10, it will be updated. Now I'm coming in this side and then this side. So this is the min node. So beta will be here 9. Okay. But here, if the value is greater than 9, if the value is greater than 9, there will be no effect on this min node. If it is less than 9, there will be no effect on this node, max node. Okay. So this can be, this arc or this edge can be discarded because I'm not getting any change here. I'm not getting any change in this max node, in the value of this alpha. Okay, later it will go here. So now it will become beta because this is the min node. So value of beta will be 10. Now it will come here, come here, come here. So 14. So beta will be 14 here. So I'm writing 14. And if I compare 14 with 15, it will remain 14. Okay. Now here, the value is here, the value is in this side, value is 1. 1 is here. Sorry, it will go here. So here, the value will be 14, means alpha will be 14 here. So you can check here, if the value is in this side is greater than 14, there will be no effect in this min nodes value, means in value of beta. But if it is less than 14, there will be no effect in this value. So the result will be same. The result will be 10 here. For beta, it will remain 10. Okay, so this is, or this arc can be discarded. Now alpha comes here. So value of alpha will be 10 here. I'm coming in this side direction, then this direction, this direction, this direction. So value of beta will be here 5, because 5 is here and 6 is here. If I compare 5 with 6, okay, so I have to check whether it's required to check the to compare it. Because if it is 5, that is fine, but alpha is 14 here. If it is 5, it is less than 5, its value will be less than 5. It's a fine, but there will be no effect of this value. If it is greater than 5, there will be no effect here in the min node. So this edge can also be discarded. Now its a value will come here and alpha value will be 5 here. If I check here, okay, so if its a value is greater than 5, that will be fine, but its a value is 4 here. If it is 4, means beta value is 4, then if it's a value here is greater than 4, there will be no effect here. If it's less than 4, there will be no effect here. Okay, if it's a greater than 4, there will be no effect here. If it's a less than 4, there will be no effect here. So this can also be discarded. Now this value will come here and it will be beta, and beta will be 5 here. If it's a 5, then if what is the need to check here? if its a value is greater than 5, okay, there will be no update here. If it's a less than 5, there will be no update here. Okay, so it will remain 10 here. So this branch can be discarded. So my result will be 10 here. There will be no effect on this value of alpha. It will be 10. So this is the example of alpha beta pruning. I will try to explain one more example. Thank you.